Once upon a time, not so long ago, Tommy used to work on the docks. Union's been on strike, he's down on his luck. It's tough, so tough. Gina works the diner all day, working for her man. She brings home a pay for love. Six-stringing heart, now he's holding in what he used to make it talk so tough. It's tough. Gina dreams of running away. When she cries in the night, Tommy whispers, "Baby, it's okay. Someday all that you've got.